In this video, we will show you how to run your entire prospecting workflow in Folk, from finding leads to tracking results. Everything starts with sourcing your leads. With Folk, you can add contacts directly from LinkedIn or Sales Navigator, either one by one or in bulk using filters. You can also bring leads in from other platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or on the web, using the Folk X extension or file imports. Once your leads are in Folk, the next step is enrichment. You can enrich contacts to automatically find professional email addresses and phone numbers directly on each record. Folk uses waterfall enrichment with more than 5 data providers, meaning requiring multiple sources in sequence to maximize accuracy and coverage. So if one provider can't find the data, the next one is tried automatically. Now that you have the contact details, it's time to understand who you are reaching out to. Use the research assistant to quickly learn more about the company. For example, what they do, their revenue and fundings, and the latest news. The star next to the data shows that the field has been researched. With that context in place, you can personalize your outreach. Magic fields help you generate tailored icebreakers based on company data, research insights, or recent activity, without writing everything from scratch. And instead of sending one-off emails, you can now scale your outreach. Create multi-step email sequences to follow up automatically and stay consistent, without manual effort. We recommend 4 to 5 touch points over 2 weeks for what we see as the most successful outreach campaign. Make sure to follow deliverability best practices that are covered in another video. Once your messages are sent, Folk helps you understand what's working. Track open, click, and reply rates to see who's engaging and who may need a follow-up. When email isn't enough, you can expand to other channels. Reach out on LinkedIn using message templates, automate LinkedIn messages with Salesforce, or engage prospects by phone using integrations like Crisp Call or Allo. You can even chat with them on WhatsApp that is directly synchronized to Folk. And you can also connect your own dialer using the Folk API. To keep everything organized, track leads in a people-based pipeline. For example, contacted, replied, and meeting booked. Once a meeting is booked, you can move the lead into your closing pipeline, which we'll cover in the next video. And finally, monitor your entire prospecting activity in dashboards, including leads by channel, closing rate, leads by stage, meeting books per week. And that's how you can run your entire prospecting workflow in Folk, from sourcing leads to tracking performance. With everything in one place, you can stay consistent, personalized, and focused on what drives results.